Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the controller has some battery and the console is off. This prevents accidental interference. Once charged, detach accessories and locate the sync button or use SL plus SR for a Joy-Con. Press and hold until the LED blinks. This puts the unit into pairing mode so the Switch can discover it. Once done, move on quickly to the console steps to avoid timeout. Make sure to watch the LED pattern so you know pairing is active. You now use the Switch menu. Open controllers, then choose Change Grip/Order. This tells the console to listen for new devices. When the controller's LED is blinking and appears on screen, select it to finalize the link. This establishes Bluetooth communication and assigns player order. If pairing fails or you prefer a wired reset, plug the controller into the dock or USB adapter and press home to force recognition. Make sure to wait for the confirmation sound so you know it succeeded. You finish by verifying every button and stick in an input test or by loading a game. This confirms the reset worked and settings are correct. If inputs are inconsistent, reboot the console and retry pairing because cached connections can block fresh links. Once done, you can factory reset the controller by holding sync longer or using a wired method if persistent. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: update Switch system firmware and test another controller to isolate hardware versus.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.